What's up, people? I hope all of you are having an amazing day. A quick update on BTC and what has been going on uh, in the past few days. So let's get started. First of all, I want to highlight how good this trade went, the long right here and the subwaves. But then uh, as I said, my initial bias was to short around here in anticipation of a move down. However, price was never showing signs of weakness. Consolidations breaking out. Every pullback was bought back up, which told me at that time that price might not actually do what I was anticipating it to do, and therefore I cancelled my bias, and yeah, we did see a rise up in price. So what's going to happen right now? We see consolidation. We're seeing a lot of liquidations happening, price dropping down like a knife. So what am I looking for? Well, to be honest, right now I think price is at a very decisive point. Uh, I will tell you something that I am looking for. It is a big possibility, okay? And yeah, actually, let's talk about the intraday, way I am going to trade it. So right now, you see me calm. You see me, on the Discord. I mean, let me open up the Discord. I'm not really, you know, uh, for the past 2 days. I didn't really provide long setups, short setups. I only provided a setup yesterday here on BTC. Sorry, just a second. A setup around here on BTC. Well, this one obviously didn't play out. We did see a rise, okay, but then we dropped. So here, this was I mean, the idea behind it was good, but stop loss was hit on this setup. Let me show you how it was actually. Uh, how did this setup play out? So just a second. Let me go to a lower time frame. So what happened here was we did get a bounce. Okay, we did get a bounce. So here was the long. We did get a bounce, but then yeah, it went for my stop loss and it went higher. But I was bullish yesterday, as I said, I was bullish, but this kind of things happening right here really, changed my mind a little bit. So right now, what I am looking for, of course, I'm not going to short here. I'm not even going to long. So I am in a no trade right now, and I'm not really shy to tell you that I really need a little bit more price action to develop in order to understand what could be going on and what could happen next. I don't need to be the hero that shorts the absolute high and yeah, I call every single high and low. Sometimes I really don't know what can happen, at a specific time, but I have a very nasty uh, long-term idea, or yeah, I mean, a very bearish one that could happen, but it's bullish at the same time. So let's develop this idea first, and then I'm going to tell you how I'm going to day trade Bitcoin and why I am day trading Bitcoin and not altcoins at this point, because altcoins are good for shorting. If you know that Bitcoin is going down, you can see how much money you can make on altcoins. So let me develop. I have this one. I have this fill the gap for. I mean, I had this one plotted since the gap was created, so many weeks or a couple of months ago. Okay, what am I looking for? So I did some research. I looked at the charts, and something very, very nasty is going to happen, in my opinion. So, yeah, please take a look how perfectly they aligned the Fibonacci golden pocket with the gap. Okay, this is for me a very big magnet. Magnet. What's a magnet? It's it's a hidden. Oh, where is the magnet? Oh, this is it. It is a hidden tool, that could attract price to this level. Now, why do I believe, or why am I going with this very, bearish bias? But at the same time, it's not as bearish as you think, because I am a big BTC bull, and I want BTC. Of course, I do believe BTC will go to very high numbers, but currently, just the way they aligned this technical analysis, for me, in the midterm, because this is not long term, this is midterm, maybe March 2021, so the beginning of next year. Of course, right now price is dropping. What am I looking for? I'm looking for something pretty bearish to happen. So, in my opinion, we can easily drop to around this level. Only then, okay, to start the real uptrend. Why do I think this could happen? Well, at this point right here, okay, or starting from around 15, 16K, when I was posting on my Instagram a lot of, stories about how Bitcoin is going up. Not on my Crypto Centauri Instagram, on my personal one. Okay, and this is something, it's very hard to understand, but I've been through all of this, this rise, this drop. I really lived all this chart, and every time we are at a local top, I see so many, but an absolutely crazy amount of people messaging me about them wanting to buy crypto. I swear to God, this happened. Here, I got many people who invested in crypto. Luckily, I told them to keep it in USDT and wait for the dump, because we did crash here, and they could have lost 50-60% of their money. This is happening the same. However, here I'm getting an absolutely crazy amount of people telling me to buy. And I'm telling them not to buy, not because I don't want them to invest in crypto, but I'm telling them, you are fucking late. Wait for a big drop, because it could come, okay, and save yourself 50-60% of your capital. So, me, okay, personally, I'm getting a shit ton of messages about people willing to invest in crypto at these highs. So why not market makers fuck them up? And sorry for my words, okay, but I'm very pumped, and I really think this could happen. It looks very bearish, but at the same time, I mean, look, this is a pretty strong support. Drop very hard, close the monthly above 11, 14K, okay, close the monthly in a pretty bearish way, and this might not happen this month, okay, so it could happen after 2 or 3 months, but just the way I'm thinking about it, drop very hard, close a high time frame bullishly, just like you did here, okay, just like you did here, and lift off once again. But here, in my opinion, so many people will be selling. A lot of people will be selling crypto here. If we drop, I mean, I bet you so many people will be selling crypto here. What I did, and I didn't say this in my Discord, I am a big fan of XRP. I've been buying around here. I actually have been buying here, during the bumps, during the dumps. So I have a pretty good average price. I exited 75% of my XRP hodl here. I don't want to get wrecked, because I'm taking a risky approach to this. But if price crashes once again, oh god, I will be buying a lot of XRP. If price crashes once again, I will have the opportunity to buy double or even triple the amount that I had. And this is something that really, made me think about this twice. So I did sell my XRP in a, averaging around 0.32. So I did sell it for a couple, for 100% profit, which is very good in my opinion, but not extremely good because I have been averaging down, and when Corona came, I really felt, wrecked. To be honest, I didn't sell, but I really felt, like XRP was a heavy bag for me. And when I saw this pump, I mean, it was time for me to really get out, even though I'm looking for much, much higher prices long term on XRP. It's an approach that, if price crashes once again, you really save yourself a lot of pain and a lot of money. A lot of money. Like, imagine losing all the money that you made. Here. It's a lot of money, okay? You're getting 100%. I've been averaging, dollar cost averaging on XRP, for 2 years right now. Almost 2 years. So, yeah, I mean, I think this approach is very good. I am a day trader at the end of the day. But yeah, I mean, day trading is much easier, in my opinion. It involves less waiting. You are in and out. You change your bias when you feel that you have to change your bias, and it's very easy. I mean, it's a short-term approach that you don't really have to deposit a big amount of money and just wait and wait and wait and wait, because let's be honest, I really hate waiting. So I really hate to wait. I like to make my money, in and out and exit. I don't know why this crashed. Let me see it once again. Yeah, we're back online. I hope so. So yeah, this is actually my approach. So yeah, right now, what am I looking for? Trading Bitcoin. So what am I looking for in order to trade Bitcoin? Well, right now, currently, I am neutral. Okay, it is very hard to have an exact plan. What I'm going to do, I will be flipping my bias bullish and bearish. Right now, I think so. On the short term, we got a small change in market structure. We got a very small change in market structure. However, as you can see, price is really rejecting the downside bullishly. Okay, bullishly. So I have a key level. Once again, this Fibonacci right here, which is now perfectly aligned with the daily level. This is a very nice Fibonacci. This is a really, really, really nice Fibonacci right here. So what I essentially want to see, so this is the daily level. Okay, let me go to the daily chart. This is a daily level right here. Okay, where we rejected the first time, we went back higher, and then we actually dumped once again. So my approach is the following: if I see a good long setup coming from the bottom, I will take the long. Okay, so this could also look like a five impulsive waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it a clear one? Yes, I think it is a clear 5 impulsive waves down. What could happen next? Well, this can actually happen today, where we see a pump to around the Fibonacci, and then we drop back down once again. What am I going to do? Of course, I will be shorting if we get a drop once again, and I will I will be longing if we get the drop, and shorting at the highs, at the Fibonacci, because this is a very key level once again. So this is what I'm going to approach here. You know, this is, so right now I'm going to approach Bitcoin from a neutral perspective, even though I have this plan, okay, of us dropping to the magnet, but that doesn't mean that it's going to happen. The confirmation for this would be a severe change in market structure. So in order for me to catch that change in market structure, I have to be, I have to day trade this, and flip from a long to a short pretty fast and day trade, okay? Then once we really start losing supports, so 17K is a key level. Also, we do have a gap around here. Actually, we do have a lot of gaps to fill all the way down. But yeah, this one, a gap, okay? So what could happen, as I said, a small bounce higher, only to get back down and fill the gap, possibly. So this is the way I'm going to approach Bitcoin. I think this video is going to be a long one, but yes, I'm coming to the end of the video, and as I said, keeping a non-biased view right now, day trading Bitcoin much more than actually looking for swing trades, because as I said, we are at a point where it's not actually good to look for a swing long, in my opinion, right here. Day trade longs are good, and also don't look for a swing short, because there is no real, change in market structure. Did you get what I say? I hope so. So it's at a point where it's more of a, in and out, you day trade it. And I believe that one of the shorts that I'm going to take, so let's say this short right here, could turn into a big swing short, okay? And this is how you actually catch a swing trade. You don't really try to, especially when you don't know what's going to happen exactly, you don't really try to predict, and stick to that bias. I take a much more flexible approach to it, and yeah, in order to save the capital. So capital is actually the most important thing right now. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one, maybe tomorrow. Cheers, have a good day, guys, and yeah, bye bye.